One of the most common reasons why people look for a lawyer is because they've been pulled over and arrested for a DUI or driving while under the influence. I can say that in 99.9% of the cases that we've seen, one of the first things people say when they're pulled over for a DUI is they let the officer know how much they've been drinking. This is definitely not something you want to do, but it's very important to understand why the officer is asking you that question. In almost every case of DUI, the officer has smelled alcohol coming from your car or from the individual. This is by itself enough probable cause for the officer to cite you for DUI, to take you out of the car, to run you through the field sobriety tests, and then ultimately arrest you and take you for a chemical test of your blood as well. So it's very important to realize that even though you think you're okay, that you're okay to drive, you only had a couple drinks, it's the smell of the alcohol that's going to give you away. This is something that's very difficult to prevent, and it's something you may not be aware of. So if you find yourself in this situation, please contact Bulldog Law and we'll help you out.